Today we are going to delve into the realm of set theory, which is a very important concept that you have to understand for all your classes. So let's start on it with the outline. So we need to first introduce and give a brief history about sets. What is a set? Ways of writing a set. We have a challenge, and then we're going to introduce the cardinality of sets, and we're going to give another challenge, and then we're going to wrap up our video. So first of all, introduction and brief history. So it was developed by George Cantor in the late 19th century. So it provides the foundation of modern mathematics, and it's used in logics and probability and computer science, and mainly you're going to find it in logic and probability if you are still in school and during the first year at uni. So what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects and focus on collection. So it's a collection. It's like you have a sack and you have inside it balls, bowling balls, let's say. So elements of a set can be numbers, they can be letters, they can be objects, they can be anything. They can be even sets. An example, so we have the set A containing 4 elements, which are 2, 4, 6, and 8. We have the set B, which contains letters. We have A, B, C, D, and we have also 4 elements. We have the set C containing the following names: James, Gabby, Toby, Marcel, and Jim. Also, we have here 5 elements. And we have the set D, which is written in builder notation, where we have the elements X, such as X is between 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 cannot be taken inside of this set. So we have multiple ways of writing a set. So the first way is writing it in the roster form, where we list all the elements, and here is an example. You have the example A, where this is a set containing all the elements from 1 till 8. We have the set builder notation, which define elements using a specific rule. We call rules usually P. So here is an example, example B, which is the elements of the set are X. So this is a set of elements X, where X is an even number less than 12. Descriptive form, which is the third way of writing a set, which is describing the sets in words using plain English. So example C is the set of first 5 even numbers. So challenge number 1, you have to write the set of natural numbers less than 10 in all 3 forms. The counter will start now. Hopefully you have done it, so let's go to the solution. So first of all, in roster form, we write all the elements from 1 till 9. In the set builder notation, it is the set of elements X, such as X is a natural number, so we don't have negative numbers, where X is less than 10. And thirdly, in descriptive form, this is the set of natural numbers, because we have only natural numbers less than 10. So moving on to the concept of cardinality. What is cardinality? Cardinality is the number of elements inside of a set, simply. So it is written as A with 2 bars, or cardinal of A, which is the most common form, representing the cardinality of a specific set A. So examples. The example follow, we have the set V containing all the elements from A, B, C, D. So the question is compute the cardinality of set V. To be able to compute the cardinality of set V, we have to count the elements inside of the set. So let's count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the cardinality of V is 10, and here you have your solution. So moving on to the other concept, which is also very important, to be able to differentiate between finite and infinite sets. So a finite set is a set that has a specific number of elements. So it has 4, it has 5, it has 100, it has thousands. This is a finite set, and here is an example. We have the WWE set, where we have Batista, Undertaker, Ronnie, and James. We have 4 elements inside of a set. Now, infinite sets are sets that go on forever. They don't have a specific number, they are never ending. So here is an example, the set of natural numbers and the set of integers. Challenge number 2. So you have 5 seconds to determine the cardinality of the following sets. The counter will start now. Hopefully you got your responses written on a paper, so let's start. So the cardinality of set A is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the cardinal of A is 6. Now apple, banana, orange, mango. So we have 4 elements. So the cardinal of set B is 4. And C is the set of elements X, such as X is a natural number greater than 0. Okay. So here we have an infinite set. So an infinite set is written as the cardinality of C is equal to infinity. Okay, so let's wrap up and summarize what we have covered in this video. So first of all, we define what is a set. It's a collection of elements, whatever these elements are. We have 3 ways of writing a set: roster form, builder notation form, and descriptive form. And we have delved into the concept of cardinality and the types of sets. So what is cardinality? It's the number of elements inside of sets. And we have 2 types of sets. We have the finite and infinite sets. And we got cover 2 challenges, one for the way of writing a set and the other for cardinality. Thank you for watching. I hope you will like this video if you liked it. I hope you share it with your friends to share some insights and some wisdom. And I would like to subscribe for more content on Professor Cartouche's channel. And Professor Cartouche will see you in the next one. Bye bye.